Hi, let's check what is VS Code. VS Code is an open source application which can be downloaded through Google or any browser easily. VS Code has dozens of features which are useful for programmers. For any programming language, you first install the extension of required environment. I installed Python environment already as I use Python language. You can see I already wrote a simple file reading code as my file has 300,000 plus rows, so it takes time. It also depends on machine specification. Here I used isNa function that finds nulls in the dataset. In my dataset there are no nulls, so it returned false. I can convert this false value into number by only changing .sum function. So VS Code is very easy to use. You can also download it through Google and use your course easily.